Manchester Mayor Andy Burnham has demanded Premier League publish evidence of a witness heard at Everton's financial fair play hearing last month, insisting he is now more concerned about legal framework behind investigation. The Blues suffered a 10-point deduction from Premier League in November after Threeman Independent Commission ruled that Goodison Park Club had breached league's profit and sustainability rules. During three-year period ending in 2015, Burnham, who hails from Merseyside, wrote Premier League chairman in November raise concerns about the process behind investigation that led Everton being penalised with an unprecedented penalty, comparing it the government giving new sentencing guidelines a judge in the middle of a particular hearing. Read Patterson. Beto Everton team Dyche should pick against Forest READ Everton points deduction. Premier League has less than 30 days to prevent new multi-million-pound farce after Mayor Alison Brittain responded to Burnham's letter on November 26. The Mayor of Manchester called for CEO Richard Masters' witness statement into the investigation to be full. In the letter responding to Brittain, he said, "I appreciate your detailed response to my letter the 26th of November and your clarification of a number important points. I drew attention to two clear statements in particular. You are correct to say that the English Football League sanctions guidelines are in place. In 2020, the Premier League executive asked their clubs whether similar rules should be adopted and there was a clear consensus that they should not be implemented. I can assure you that it was not my intention to correspond with you at length on this matter. I had hoped that you could give me sufficient reassurance to leave things at that. Firstly, you say policy was my definition. Paragraph 86 is the relevant part of the judgment on the 10th August 2023. The Premier League Board adopted a sanctions policy which it considered to be appropriate for breaches of the PSR. This policy is detailed in Section 7 of Mr. Masters' witness statement. The paragraph goes on to say that PL sought to clarify a misunderstanding about the status of the position which he subsequently adopted on the 10th of August. PL told the Commission that he had advanced his view in the way in which Florida policy had been developed. The EFL represented him before a commission hearing the PS complaint by those who, however, in its evidence to commission, the PL said that its approach was in fact same as EFL policy. I hope you too can see the obvious inconsistency here. Burnham continued, "Let me move on to the next issue. It is only possible to see the difference if the formula is used in only one situation. This raises two questions. Do you want to use this formula only in the Everton case? If so, how does this provide confidence that the Premier League is acting fairly and consistently for all clubs? Or do you intend to use the same formula in other situations? If so,